I hate tape so much. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. There we go. Now then. All right. Okay, I'm trying to be extremely careful, and I don't want to mess this up. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, there it is. Oh, and they put it in a plastic bag. No, I told you not to. Can you see it? Oh, it's a special Pluto. No, you haven't been replaced, Pluto. However, we have considered it because you know what you did. But we aren't going to harp on that because we're playing what's in the box. And look at what was in this box! Another Pluto. Oh, it's in this bag. Gotta be extra careful with this. All right. Ta-da! Oh, and it still has candy in it! And it still has candy in it! Yes! All right, this is by far one of the coolest Pez dispensers. Oh. Wow. Look at that! This is where melts come from. Donald. And is that a Pluto? Yeah. Donald and Pluto are melted inside of this dispenser. And the chemical reaction in these toys here, as you can see, has caused the plastic to coat them, and they have become one. Oh, but that's even cooler. Let me get it right here. It still has candy in it. That is so cool. Well, I wasn't sure how good they were on. Oh, look at that. Well, that is gnarly. Still has the metal spring. Good head spring action. This is such a cool Pez dispenser. All right. And I'm glad I get to share it with everybody. This is where melt marks come from. Yeah. Angry Donald. Look how mad he is. Oh. Look down in the... You can see the spring. Oh, this is so cool. What a great Pez dispenser. So until next time...